lovely people, welcome to this platform. My name is 𝘿𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣 and I am the creative director of Elegant Empire Films. Basically, I'm here today to talk to you about our ongoing film project. It's titled 𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣. 𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤 is not just a film project, it's a TV drama series and it's going to be rocking the airwaves very soon. It has to do with love, romance, crime, and so much more. It's coming out to be one of the best TV series you will ever watch. I will be starring together with other amazing actors in the film, and I know you would love to watch me act. I want you to anticipate 𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤, the series. It's coming out big. I remain yours truly, 𝘿𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣, creative director, Elegant Empire Films. Peace out.
Hello my beautiful people, it's your girl Pamela Richard. I'm an actor with Elegant Empire Films.
My name is 𝘿𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙣 and I am an actor with Elegant Empire Films.
My name is 𝘎𝙧𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙣 and I am an actor with Elegant Empire Films.
Hi viewers, I'm Aderonke Adebisi. I'm an actor with the Elegant Empire movies.
Hello viewers, my name is Ave Maria Everton. I'm an actor with Elegant Empire Films.
𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙤 is all about love, romance, drama, and dating.
You're gonna love it, I bet you.
Those of you that like romance, I want you to watch out for this.
And if you don't want to miss out, I would implore you to stay glued to all our platforms.
Keep everything on. We're gonna be bringing you something exciting, something you've never seen before.
𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙤 is an exclusive.
And if you want to see your girl Pamela in that movie, how she romanced and fell in love, please make sure you don't miss out.
Stay glued and relax, sit back. You have fun, you will learn more. You just stay glued.